What makes the Drake so special is that it really is an experience. My name is Alec Glasser. I'm the founder of the Drake, and I'm proud to say that I've been a resident here since 1978. My vision for the Drake when we opened was to have a place for the residents in Laguna to come and have a real happy night of live music, blues and jazz, together with fine dining.
Once you step inside here, it really does feel like a different atmosphere, like you're not in Laguna Beach. My name's Nick Shrine. I'm the sous chef here. We really pride ourselves here in being able to give you the total, all-around, full experience of what hospitality should be.
My name's Paul Stein. I'm the chef and a partner. The main thing I would like people to take away from is when they step out the door and ask themselves, will I be back here? And that answer is definitely yes, then mission accomplished.
So the history behind the Drake really comes from my experience when I was 17, 18, and 19. I worked at the Drake Hotel in Manhattan. I grew up in the Drake Hotel. I started as the elevator operator, and then I progressed from there to a bellman and then a senior bellman. When you come to the Drake, you come here for fun, which is what the experience was at the Drake Hotel. At the Drake, we have a nonprofit. It's called the Drake Gives. It's a nonprofit that relates to music and expanding the power of music in our society. We have a partnership with Save the Music Foundation, which is a nationwide organization that was started by the founders of MTV. You can find out about the Drake Gives by going to our website, drakegives.org. There you will find who we are, what we do, what the vision is, programs that we support. This is going to be a big program. We're very happy about it.